Learn how to raise your credit score fast. A few simple measures can help you improve your credit scores. Opening credit reporting accounts, keeping small balances, and making on-time payments will all help a lot. It's vital to understand how credit scores are established and how to improve them, whether you're starting from scratch or restoring your credit after a setback. Depending on your unique financial situation, you may be able to improve your credit score through a variety of ways. 1. Create credit history. Opening new accounts that will be reported to all of the major credit bureaus is an excellent place to start. 2. Double-check that you haven't missed any payments. Your payment history is one of the most important factors in determining your credit score. Having a long history of on-time payments can help you enhance your credit score. 3. Pay off any accounts that are past due. If you're behind on your bills, bringing them up to date may be beneficial. For your credit report, a late payment could be on your record for up to 7 years. 4. Pay down revolving account balances. Even if you don't miss payments, carrying a large debt on revolving credit cards might result in a high credit utilization rate, which will reduce your credit scores. Maintaining a low balance on revolving accounts, such as credit cards and lines of credit, in comparison to the credit limits on those accounts can help you improve your credit scores. 5. Set a limit on how many times you apply for new accounts. While it may be necessary to open accounts in order to improve your credit score, you should strive to limit the number of credit applications you make. Each application can result in a hard inquiry, which can reduce your credit scores marginally. However, inquiries can accumulate and compound. The average age of your existing accounts is reduced when you open a new account, which can impact your credit scores. It's crucial to know where you stand and how you're progressing. Make it a habit to check your score on a frequent basis. Learn which factors have the most influence on your score so you can increase it with laser-like precision.